Hello guys, if you're watching this, you're probably wondering, how do I make a Terraria server? Well, quite simply, I'm going to show you how to do it if you're using Steam. If you're not using Steam, unfortunately, I don't have the video for you, and you'll have to use another video. If you guys want me to make a video on that, sure, I'll do it. Just ask, put it in the comments. Alright, so first off, go ahead and click on your computer. You can find that in here too, with computer. And then open your C drive, program file x86, and then go right ahead and scroll down all the way to Steam, and then Steam apps, followed by common, Terraria, and then Terraria Server.exe. Now that's going to load up all your things. If you didn't understand what I just clicked on, just go back through it. Simply pause at whatever time you wanted to know. Excuse me. Now, if whichever world you have is all here. So if you want to use your first world, press 1, enter, and then it's quite self-explanatory. Maximum number of players you want to be allowed on the server, 8 is the pressing enter will only put 8 as a max. Server port, leave it at 7777, and automatically port forward, you'll say yes. So why? And server password, do you want a password on that? Whatever you want it to be, 1 2 3. Then it's going to create it. Now the server will now be up for you. If you're going to go ahead and play, you're going to have to go and updating Steam. Oh shoot, maybe it's not updated, I don't even know. For you, you're going to place 127.0.0.1. now that's your loop back. There's no place like 127.0.0.1, which is a joke in programmers for like, there's no place like home. Now, library, games, Terraria, and then play. And then I can close that and wait for Terraria to start. Stop. Oop. Hey, where is it? There we go. Alright. I don't need that big. Join. And then if I click on this one, it's going to be where you can put 127.0.0.1, port 7777. Cool. Server password required. Now you're going to see that it asks that this guy is connecting. My volume is very loud. Jeez. How about here? Then accept for the password. 1 2 3. Alex has joined, so now I am on the server and I can roam around. I can use the server now. But the problem is, if you're with friends, which is mainly why you're going to want to use a multiplayer server, you're going to want to give them another IP, not 127.0.0.1. You're going to want to give them this IP, which, if it can load, you're going to go to Google or any search engine and write in IP or what's my IP, and it's gonna give it to you. Now you're gonna give that to your friends. I'm hiding mine because hackers love that number. It's basically your router's IP or wherever. How could I explain this? It's basically like your home's lock. You're giving them access to it if you give them that. So just don't share it to anyone. And oh nice, Goat Simulator is 40% off. And then you're gonna have to give that to them and they will input that. Now another thing, if they're on the same network, so basically if they're on LAN, you're gonna have to give them, you're gonna go on command prompt and write IP config. That's gonna give you your default gateway, your IPv4, which is what you're going to be giving them. So if they're on your LAN, they're going to want to use 192.168.0.23. For me, it should be different for you. If it's not, well, there's about was it 255 numbers possible? No, 253. So that should be it. If you have any questions, just leave it in comments. I think I covered everything. If not, I might post an update to it. thank you guys for watching. If there's any help you need, there's a bunch of things right here you can change. Change time and all that. List of commands. Obviously, if you wrote help, it should already be told. Oh well. And then exit, close it. Boom. And then you're done. Your server is closed and there's no one that can come in anymore. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you enjoyed and learned something. And don't forget to rate it if it was good or bad. If it doesn't work, leave a comment. Tell me. I want to know. I'll probably know how to help you. All right. See you guys in the next one. My name's Alox. Peace.